welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing the second episode of how to prepare tofu. Today we're gonna be making scrambled eggs. But before we start with the recipe, I wanted to say I'm so sorry for not loading videos. I've been teaching classes on how to cook plant-based, and also I am studying a master vegan cuisine course actually, and it's been really busy for me. And so what I wanted to mention with the tofu is that for us to make the scrambled eggs, we need black salt, or also known as kala namak. I buy mine on Amazon. That's in my city. That's the way I found it. I haven't found it anywhere else, and so this is like very important for this specific thing that we're gonna be doing with the tofu. And the tofu, I get it from Costco, $6.99 for 4 of these. And just with one, making like the scrambled egg, I can feed my husband, my daughter, and myself. And we always have like a leftover. And so this is really inexpensive because it's with 4 of these, you get 4 of these for $6.99 at Costco, which is like $5 American, and they're like really good. This is extra firm. And that's it. Let's begin with the recipe. So we have here the tofu, and I have removed all the water and squeeze it very hard, and we're gonna just break it into pieces like so. Remember, we're pretending to make scrambled eggs, so that's what we're looking for. And we're not going to be adding oil to this. We're going to be adding a tablespoon of my mix of spices. I have down below, I will put the things and the things I'm using, and I'm going to be using 1 to 2 teaspoons of black salt, and we're just going to mix it so everything gets stuck to the tofu. And what we're going to be doing next is I have here 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of the mix of spices, nothing else. We're going to add 1 chopped and 1 onion and 1 chopped garlic clove, and we're going to mix and cook it until it's well done. And we're going to be adding half a tomato and half a cup of corn. You can also add mushrooms if you prefer, and I think it's so much better with mushrooms, but I didn't have, so anyways, we're going to be adding here half a teaspoon, a little bit less, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, because we already have added the sodium into the tofu, so we're not going to be using that. We mix until it's well combined and cooked. And the last part, I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. So the last thing we're gonna be doing is adding the tofu, and we're gonna mix to incorporate everything, and so the tofu gets a little bit more of the taste of the other ingredients that are being cooked. We're gonna cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes, mixing sometimes so it doesn't burn in the pan. And once it's done, we can eat it. So we're just gonna serve it like that, and look how good and delicious this looks. Yummy yums with some apples. Okay, so that's all for today. Look at this delicious breakfast. You have all your protein intake for the day here, pretty much. We make this at home like 2 times a week. We love it so much, and if you pair it with peanut butter, it's like delicious, and some apples. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to pick out the pictures that I'm gonna leave at the end of the video for my course. Anyways, so I will see you in the next video. Bye.